Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cool tech that actually makes your life easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 11 coolest gadgets that are super useful. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get right into it. 11 Lumex Lamp. Lumex offers a diverse range of lighting solutions that blend functionality with contemporary design, catering to various needs and preferences. The Lumex lamp series provides energy-efficient lighting options suitable for both residential and commercial environments. These bulbs consume significantly less power compared to traditional incandescent lamps, offering savings of up to 85% on energy bills. With a lifespan of 30,000 hours, they reduce the frequency of replacements, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term use. Available in various wattages such as 5W, 9W, 12W, and 30W. These bulbs cater to different lighting requirements. Additionally, the Lumex Lamp 5W flame model mimics the warm glow of traditional flame bulbs, adding a cozy ambiance to spaces like living rooms and dining areas. For those seeking smart lighting solutions, the Lumex Luxury Motion Lights offer a blend of elegance and practicality. These motion sensor lamps automatically illuminate upon detecting movement, providing convenience and energy efficiency. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 3 months on a single charge, they are ideal for areas like hallways, bathrooms, and kitchens. 10 Musen Bluetooth Speaker. Musen Bluetooth speakers combine vintage aesthetics with modern audio technology, delivering a unique listening experience. Renowned for their compact size, retro designs, and impressive sound quality, these speakers are perfect for those seeking portability without compromising on performance. The Musen Button Mini, for instance, is a pocket-sized speaker that boasts a durable zinc aluminum alloy body and a playful retro suitcase design. Despite its small size, it delivers surprisingly loud and clear sound, thanks to its 3W amplifier and dual passive radiator. With Bluetooth 4 connectivity, it pairs effortlessly with devices, and its 400 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 8 hours of playtime. Its compact form and vibrant color options make it a stylish companion for any adventure. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Musen Wild Mini is a rugged IPX5 rated waterproof speaker designed to withstand the elements. Its military-style zinc alloy body ensures durability, while its large diameter speaker and rare earth magnet deliver loud, clear sound. Equipped with a built-in flashlight featuring high, low, and SOS modes, it's an ideal companion for camping, hiking, or beach outings. 9. Remarkable 2 Paper Tablet. The Remarkable 2 is a minimalist digital tablet, designed for those who prefer writing on paper, but desire the benefits of digital organization. Weighing just 0.89 pounds, and measuring 7.4 x 9.6 inches. It boasts a 10.3-inch monochrome e-ink display with a 126 ppi resolution, offering a paper-like writing experience. Equipped with a 1.2 GHz dual-core ARM processor and 1 GB of RAM, the Remarkable 2 provides a responsive interface. Its Marker Plus stylus offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and an eraser, enhancing the writing experience. The device features palm rejection technology, allowing users to rest their hands on the screen without unwanted mark. However, it lacks a backlit display, limiting use in low-light conditions. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 2 weeks on a single charge. The Remarkable 2 offers 8 GB of internal storage. 8 Aeters. The Azeron Cyborg Keypad is a highly customizable, ergonomic gaming keypad, designed to enhance precision and comfort for serious gamers. Featuring 29 programmable keys and an analog thumbstick with 360-degree movement, it allows users to tailor their controls for a wide variety of games, making complex commands easier to execute. The keypad's adjustable key towers enable players to modify the layout to fit their hand perfectly, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. Built with durable Omron switches rated for up to 50 million clicks, it promises both responsiveness and longevity. Additionally, onboard memory lets users save multiple profiles for quick switching between games or playstyle. While it may take some time to get used to the unique layout, the Azeron Cyborg offers a powerful alternative to traditional keyboards and controllers, especially for gamers who value comfort and customization. 7 LG Stanby ME Go Touchscreen. The LG Stanby ME Go is a versatile 27-inch portable touchscreen display, designed to offer a seamless blend of entertainment and functionality, whether you're at home, outdoors, or on the move. Encased in a sleek briefcase-style design, It combines portability with durability, having passed 11 military-grade tests for resilience. Equipped with a full HD 1920 by 1080 LED touchscreen, the Stanby ME Go provides a responsive and immersive viewing experience. It boasts a 20-watt 4-channel speaker system, enhanced with Dolby Atmos, delivering rich spatial audio for movies, music, and games. The device operates on LG's WebOS 22 platform, supporting popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube, and features voice recognition for hands-free control. Portability is a key highlight, with a built-in battery offering up a feature-rich pair of wireless earbuds designed to deliver impressive audio performance, long battery life, and user-friendly features, all at an affordable price point. Equipped with large 14.2mm dynamic drivers, the Buds 6 Active produce deep bass and clear mids, enhancing the overall listening experience. They offer 5 preset sound modes: bass boost, high treble boost, vocal boost, volume boost, and default, allowing users to tailor the audio to their preferences. The earbuds feature a half-in-ear design, ensuring comfort during extended use. They are also rated IPX4, providing splash resistance, making them suitable for workouts and outdoor activities. The Buds 6 Active 5 Vilno Nobel 2.0 Kneeling Ergo Chair. The Vilno Nobel 2.0 Kneeling Ergo Chair is a modern ergonomic seating solution designed to promote better posture and reduce back pain during prolonged periods of sitting. Unlike traditional office chairs, it positions the user with their hips tilted forward, aligning the spine and encouraging a natural, upright posture. This forward slanting design helps to distribute body weight more evenly between the spine and the knees, which can alleviate pressure on the lower back and improve overall comfort. The Nobel 2.0 model features a sturdy wooden frame, thick foam cushions, and a breathable fabric cover that enhances comfort and durability. Ford ZenScreen Fold OLED MQ17. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED MQ17QH is a groundbreaking portable monitor that combines innovative design with exceptional display technology. Featuring a 17.3-inch OLED panel with a 2.5 560 by 1920 resolution and a 4:3 aspect ratio, it offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, covering 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. The display supports HDR500 True Black, ensuring high contrast and clarity. Its unique water drop hinge allows the screen to fold into a compact 12.5-inch form, making it highly portable, despite its thin profile of 9.7mm and weight of 1.17 kg. Connectivity options include dual USB Type-C ports, mini HDMI, and a headphone jack, providing versatility for various devices. Dockcase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1. The Dockcase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 is a premium connectivity solution tailored for content creators, photographers, and videographers. Its standout feature is a 1.9-inch touchscreen that provides real-time information about connected devices, replacing the previous D-key design for a more intuitive user experience. 0.0 MB and write speeds exceeding 600 MB when using a third-party USB-C cable, indicating its capability to handle high-speed data transfers. The Dockcase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 stands out for its advanced features and design. 2. WiseCam Pan V. The WiseCam Pan V3 is a versatile indoor-outdoor security camera that offers comprehensive monitoring capabilities. With its 360° horizontal pan and 80° vertical tilt, it provides extensive coverage, ensuring that no corner is left unmonitored. The camera's IP65 weather resistance makes it suitable for various environments, whether mounted outdoors or placed indoors. Equipped with 1080p HD resolution, the WiseCam Pan V3 delivers clear video quality. Its color night vision feature allows for vivid recordings in low-light conditions, capturing details up to 25 times darker than traditional camera. The camera also includes built-in two-way audio. 1 foldable laptop desk. A foldable laptop desk is a practical and versatile solution for anyone seeking comfort and convenience while working, studying, or relaxing with a laptop. Designed with portability in mind, these desks are lightweight and compact, making them easy to move and store when not in use. Most models feature adjustable heights and tilt angles, allowing users to find the most ergonomic position, which helps reduce neck. There you have it. Top 11 coolest gadgets that are super useful. Which one was your favorite? Or did we miss something even cooler? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.